Hello everyone. Hello beautiful people. How are you all doing today? I hope everybody is fine. My darling people. Una this topic, I want really like, sometimes they say who they believe in word may not pull life for your head, because if you pull life for your head, you know go fit deny. This girl with the key, this a little with the key. So they can finally bring updates for us. See people way memory. The guy will do the thing, begin they confess different people saying what confess. That is, I don't know some people they gain for life. I don't really know what they gain. Okay, you put life for somebody head. Say now you want confess. You want confess who kill Uwa. Say you want confess now. Then you can't go bring innocent woman, the landlady. All because that woman, they tell am, say, this the way they do, it not good. Say, he don't say where you want driver for your house. Because when I first see the woman, I said, this one not get money. I said, I'm the woman that I give her 1 million. May it take me uwa. He said, because the woman say, the two they send a message for church. So because of that one, now I can say the way they do for church. So they like and pass the children. He want to make they like the children pass. Now I can't give her 1 million. And the way me look this woman, wow, this one not be like who even get money. Yesterday when this woman Mama Gladys they do a live video yesterday. And they see how wish they talk the matter, say this woman be like who get money. This woman don't eat. Talk like say we will see 1 million. I can't reason. I say don't be lie. Don't be like this woman really talk yesterday. I know they really watch that woman like that, but that yesterday, that word entered my head. Before I can't see this video now, where the police people do, they talk, say, this when the content interview them, they ask the boy don't finally talk the truth now, say this woman don't know one, no two, now just know and see the verse, now make it they put light for the woman head. Or because of hatred. You see the way innocent people take the day prison. And they don't leave put this woman for prison ever since. This woman say he children school. He not see money to pay again, and he make they even stop there for school ever since. The children where they Ekboma. He say not see money again. Now he make them even they house ever since. So we want for come see 1 million, we want come give this guy. Say go me person. My people, they say sometimes what you never see, you never work reach there. When I put them on and listen to when they interview the woman. Now wow.
When police come now, they wait. When police come investigate, they come collect my phone. Say go, my husband died. So my brother went get the house.
Woman a widow.
Take care of the house, which means I'm a caretaker. So I take care of the house. Then this boy now, his brother now in my house before, not be this boy. When that boy don't make money, he can't go abroad. As he go abroad now, so he can't. His mama can't pay this boy. Come say, may stay the room. When I look at my sister, I can say, hey, now I tell you, mama, say, I cannot take this boy because my spirit not carry the way when he be for her. This boy, I know. You can't tell me, say, no, now better boy, make me look at my dear sister. Within a month, now something else. This boy will carry ladder.
No, criminal, let the boy be right for time.
Will carry ladder put for war. The night he will come out. When I go come, I go say, who put this ladder there? So when I don't observe, I can say, Nina, say, carry this ladder, go where you carry and come from. He can't return now. Tifo, now so police they arrest her all the time. Now I can tell mama, say, I beg you can't carry this, but me don't fair tell you. Now the mama come they beg me, say they do a mogo. If he do a mogo finish, he will come carry her. Wait. I can't be like say the woman self is tired of her. Now I can't tell drop and there. I can't write with note. I say, make come out. Now criminal be. He not come out. So now me can't call you mama. Now mama can't tell me, say, I beg. I feel do a mogo finish, you can't carry her. Before you do a mogo finish, now my sister, now this thing happen. If they do different have police, they arrest her. Criminal. Not be that day now when they get die, they can't arrest her. Everybody come they shout for my house. Say, criminal. Police, now you do this thing. And they say, lie. I say, police, now you do this thing. You will go, you will not come back again because you disgrace me. I'm a member of a Redeemed Christian Church. The mama say, even the girl, we are all friends. Now, so we do more. Don't be later now. They go China come from Abuja or state here. Already, they don't pack it is. Now, they search a room, they China like this. Because they say, hey, now you be the caretaker. Because let police pack my things to go to make me, you do going for it. Now say, you are mad. Now say, you rape person, you kill her. You they talk of property. Not be person born picking when you rape and kill. Why you they talk like that? He say, hey, whether he concern me, and I saw me fed, that's okay. For the rest tenant, he get who they breaking it door, pack it is, I pass on your own. So you go do that can one finish. You can't say you want go free. You will never go free. Then they carry a come out to go Abuja. Behold, my sister. Before 2 weeks, so this boy said get confession. Confession for me just there on Sunday from my house. I just say police don't enter. What thing happen? He said, "Police say me give him 1 million." My sister, I want friend. I say no. If I want friend or share body, now be say I don't. They say you know she say I don't. I don't. Three children now I get my sister. The first one go University of Ekpoma. The other one ship police. After the death of my husband, no money. If people know they talk. They drop out of school. They drop out. When police come now they wait. When police come investigate, they come collect my phone. From there now my sister. Now they come carry my phone. They come check my house. Nothing there. They check my shop. Wait till they shop not even reach 20,000. Yeah. The police when come from Abuja, Lord, they can't even the right say nothing. Now say 1 million. Now say nothing like that. After all set and done, they can't arrest me from here to Abuja. Abuja now they can't investigate. More than 2 months. I stayed Abuja now for 2 months and 3 days. 2 months. You understand? Because of investigation. When they come and say, where the 1 million? When this woman give? He say, actually, now Nancy, now he give. That Nancy run with the money. Now police say, I will there here till they see the boy. Go so kind. The second, this thing when they go, now they catch Nancy. Nancy now this one. Yeah. Then Nancy, huh? Police me? You know, no, true. God is my witness. I don't know police. I don't know Nancy. Nancy don't know me. Nancy, come they cry. Then they come carry me. Come and say, you see, now they, after all set and done, my sister, now they come ask her, say, nah, they don't do investigation. They don't go my account. They go my children home. Everything, and then they come say, okay. So they come tell and say, the IG, the commissioner of police, all of them, they come call her after every investigation. Then they tell and say, come, what do you want to prove? Say, this woman give you 1 million. He said, actually, out of annoyance, the police parking property. And Miss call a criminal, me they give and put notice. Say, now that annoyance, he not see property, he go suffer me for it. Yeah. That was all my sister. So the investigation system was going on. At the end of the day, they still say, I be innocent. When we enough for now that first of all, he said he give me 1 million. Listen, he give me 1 million. May I take rape the girl, may I kill her. Then they come ask and say, why? They said, because me say the girl. Now everybody just like for the church. They don't like my children. That was number one statement. The second statement now, he say, not be so again. He say, now 1.5 million. Say, may they take do something for her. May they do something for me. May my son come be like supermarket. Jesus. No police say, you even they listen to yourself. Yeah. You first say 1 million. Later you say 1.5 million for to do sham again. So now police say no wahala. Now they detain us for Abuja system. Yesterday now we come for Abuja now. So everything don't go. So waiting me they wait for at least matter they go court now. If they go court. So now be the team my sister. Me give her 1 million, 1.5 million. I know nothing about it, my sister. Now village I did when they come carry me. As they carry me for village, they say this one. They say commissioner wants to see me. Now I say what will be the problem? They say if I reach office, I go see commissioner. I go ask me something. As I come now, now they say, madam, where your pikin? Now I say I don't know where my pikin dey. Now village you now go carry me come my pikin dey Benin. I don't know where my pikin dey. Now they come say, now they say put me for sale. In Okroa village. It don't say when I see him. It don't reach about 4 to 5 months when I see my son reach. And they detain me. They can't carry me go Abuja. They carry me go Abuja. They don't carry me see Oga till they carry me come Benin again.
This boy Collis, so I never know Collis before. I did put by when I yesterday see the rape.
This colleague just the very people we want to join the body. This colleague so.
2 years. My second picking my one so my woman get belly now 8 months plus. I the belly day now. So I
this colleague of a boy, he just dey look for people who want to join body. Now God go punish this colleague. Eh? This colleague just dey look for people who want to join body. Now wow. Many of them they say they don't even know him. Why this boy they lie now? Me believe say pastor that they tell this boy where they do what they do so. Because that pastor go know what he made this game. He know. Because for them to come, for this colleague to come, they point very different people who don't know one, no two.
Me don't know the boy.
See how? Many of them don't even know this colleague. This colleague just they look for people who want to join body. It's just look for people who want to join body by people. This colleague of a boy. Now God then go punish this colleague really, my people. So I say I can't give now the update. See, this woman they innocent, they don't know one, they don't know two. This colleague now know what they look for. Now know why they do all those things, my people. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. And share this video. Please share the video and always put thumbs up for my videos. Thank you.